Got a little more time this afternoon to mess with the truck. I messed with it a lot. Probably been in there about 20 or 30 minutes. A few more pieces on the ground. See where that boot was leaking. But I did find a problem. What is that? How in the world? I do some welding, I see. Seems like that may have been loose before and then just broke off the rest of the way is kind of what it looks like. Could have been where I did the little tack at before, possibly. But getting there. All the front's pretty much torn out. You can see how thick the baffle was. Definitely ain't been that much of a fun tear down. See, look right here, write my name in the sawdust in the seat. Thought about pulling it out, said forget it. There's the charger. 17.8. Works for me. I had it on last night for a couple hours. Just because they hadn't charged in a while, so. Well, time to get back in here and get to work. Hopefully I can get the rest of this out of here today. Been kind of a pain. Broke a couple bits and a couple blades. Several things, so. Let me get back at it.